Welcome back to my classroom. I hope you are healthy and strong. For today's lesson, we will read N family. Help me name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Hen. Next one. Then. And here's the next one. Men. Next one. Pen. And the last one. 10. Great job. Okay, name the picture by yourself. Here's the first one again. Good job. Next one. And the next one is? Very good. Next one. Good. And the last one. Got it. Blending time. Remember, we will read N. Can you say it again? N. One more time. N. Okay. Let us listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word. Here's the first one. Hen. That is letter H. Got it? Hen. Let's blend the sounds. N. Hen. Next one is then. D. I heard D. 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 Let's blend the sounds. D. N. Den. Good job. And let's have the next one. Men. That's letter M. Okay, blend the sound. And men. Got it. And what's the next one? Pen. Pa. That is letter Pa. Pa. P. Pa. Pa. Let us blend the sound. Pa. N. Pa. And pen. And the last one is 10. Ta. What letter is that? T. Ta. Ta. Oops. Ta. That's letter T. Ta. N. 10. More practice using our flip book. I want you to blend with Teacher Lorie. Ready? D. N. What's the word? Den. N. What's the word? Hen. Next one. N. Read the word. Men. And the next one is Pa. N. What is the word? Pen. And the next one. And the last. Ta. N. Read the word. 10. Last part. This is the part that you're going to read the word by yourself. Here's the first one. Got it. Next one. Very good. And here's the next one. Yay! Fourth one. And the last one is good job. Okay, here's a cheer for you. Tap your shoulder like this and you say, I am very smart. Do it again. I am very smart. Bye.